In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate photos with a dolly zoom in Canva. First, we'll start by heading over to the Canva website. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to do so. Click on the Login button and follow the prompts. Once you have successfully logged in, click on Home to begin your project. Next, find the video project you're working with or create a new one if you haven't started yet. Once in your project, locate and click on the image you want to animate. This is where the magic really starts to happen. Click the Edit button to access the editing tools and select Magic Grab. Now this tool is quite handy because it allows you to isolate the foreground from the background. Once you've got the foreground, click on Grab to ensure it's correctly selected. You'll then want to temporarily move this foreground image over to the second page. Don't worry, we'll come back to it shortly. Right-click the background while still on the first page and choose Set Image as Background to lock it in place. Now you can focus on animating your background. With the background now set, click on Animate. From the animations available, select Photo Zoom. This effect will create the illusion of the background moving, giving your video that professional dolly zoom effect. Be sure to adjust the scale to its maximum to emphasize the effect. After you've adjusted the background, it's time to bring the foreground back into your main project. As it currently resides on the second page, click to highlight the object there, and then move it back to the first page with the background animation. Overlap this with your animated background for a harmonious visual. With everything in place, it's time to animate the foreground. Click on this foreground image and choose to Animate. This time select Photo Zoom In as the animation effect and make any necessary adjustments to ensure the animation is smooth and consistent with the background animation. Spend a little time here. Tweaking the transition can really elevate the final product. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to export. Click on Share from the top menu and select Download. Choose MP4 as your format and confirm by clicking Download. Make sure you choose only the first page if you've got your project spread across multiple pages. Once downloaded, go back into Canva, click the original background, and delete it. Now upload the MP4 you just downloaded and set it as the background. This will replace any static images with the animated video you created. Finally, review your final product. If everything looks just the way you envisioned, then you're done. And there you have it, a sleek, captivating dolly zoom animation created entirely in Canva. Thank you for following along. See you in the next tutorial.